Assalamu alaikum. Today lecture is dear student. In this lecture, our focus is still on leadership process. Let's start with the qualities of leaders. Qualities of leaders. Real leaders have certain qualities which make them different from the rest of them. Rest of the team members, followers. Few of those qualities are given in the following slide. Qualities of leaders. Vision. लीडर का विजन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एबिलिटी, लीडर में एबिलिटी का होना ज़रूरी है. एंथुजियाज़म, दैट इज़ एक्साइटमेंट. स्टेबिलिटी, कंसर्न फॉर अदर्स, दूसरे पे कंसर्न होना ज़रूरी है लीडर में. सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस होना ज़रूरी है. परसिस्टेंस, वाइटैलिटी, charisma, integrity. I will try to explain all these qualities one by one. Number 1, vision. A leader has to have some ideas about her organization or his organization, about how the future could be different. A leader requires strong sense of purpose, clear in concept of collective vision, organization, and recognizes which must be done and how to make strategies for the accomplishment of their vision. Vision about what is happening, what needs to be done, and what is coming in future. Ability. Number 2 है हमारे पास ability. Keep knowledge updated, have ability to understand information, formulate strategies, and make the decision. Followers always look toward leaders when making decision. Enthusiasm. Leaders always create excitements. Leaders always generate enthusiasm in followers. What is important? All are important in these things. Stability is another important quality of leaders. Leaders need to be emotionally stable in handling changes, in decision making, and during time of pressures. Leaders need to face them in courage. Leaders should possess objectivity, be emotional stable, concern for others. Leaders must be concerned always for others. A leader must have a humble and caring attitude. Self-confidence. Leaders, this will become even more important. With self-confidence, leader can manage and handle even different situations. Successful leaders stay calm and confident and show confidence in their actions. Build self-confidence. Persistence. In the persistence, approach is always paying and pushing the followers for the accomplishment of goals. Vitality. Effective leaders are electric, vigorous, active. To active goals, leaders need stamina, energy, health, and vigor. Charisma. What is the charisma? Personality trait. Generates others' interest and creates followers to influence others. Charisma plays very important role. Integrity. Number 10th is integrity, which is quality of leader. Leader is honesty, strength of character, and courage. Strongly integrity. So leader must have the loyal, honest with her work or his work. Lead to trust and respect. These are all the qualities of leaders. In today's lecture, you learn what are qualities of leaders. Thank you.